up, fans? Dr. Donut here, and this is Rocket Boy. Okay, so I have a new sewing machine. So it's in this box.
It can make a donut on a shirt,
which is embroidery and quilting. So let's see what's in the box. Oh, and also it's snowing outside, guys.
Yeah, there's so much snow.
Rocket Boy, tell them about it.
It's a blizzard.
Yes. Let's see what's inside. Look, donut fans. Okay, we need an adult here, so get your adult.
I'll be right there.
The adult needs to come out to help us because there are needles in this. So if you ever get a sewing machine.
It's actually already cut on the side.
Yes, also there's a foot. I'll show you everything that's in here. A foot, so you can pedal it on. Wanna push it?
Whoa.
Some. Oh, to carry just to see. Okay, so here are some foots for the sewing. Okay, this is the big reveal. The sewing machine! Oh my god, it has a case. Look at the case.
Whoa.
Cool, right, Rocket Boy?
Yeah. I'm just gonna go.
Okay, the sewing machine is very delicate. There's a manual, which is good. So you need an adult to help you carry it out. So we have an adult who is hockey guy. Hockey dad.
Hockey guy.
Hockey dad.
Hockey dad.
Here's Hockey Dad. Say hi, Hockey Dad.
Hello, fans.
Okay.
Here is Donut Girl,
Dr. Donuts.
Dr.
Okay.
Donut's new sewing machine.
Oh, and a mystery box. Ooh. I'll show this mystery box in my next video.
Okay. The excitement.
So we have the sewing machine, which and Sushi Lady is gonna, and Sushi Mom is gonna come. Sushi Mom.
Yes, let's turn lights on now.
Yes. All right. Come on, Sushi Mom.
Wow, that looks really cool.
And it also comes with a cake.
It comes with a cake. Wait, was Animal Crossing in here too?
No.
Yeah.
No. We also ordered Animal Crossing for a Nintendo Switch.
Yeah, we have one and some games.
Oh, she's doing a video right now?
Okay, so here is the machine.
Let's try to get this foam out.
There are 59 stitches.
I got the foam out.
Oh, there's foam. Don't take this apart. It can make a big mess. You don't want your parents to get very mad at you for getting a mess. Now, let's open the mystery box. Sushi Mom, can you help me move this?
Why am I sushi mom?
Because you like sushi.
And I'm Hockey Dad.
Okay. Okay. Now, let's see what is...
It did come with a foot pedal, yay.
Okay, now let's see what's in the mystery box. It is a table.
I think that's your quilting table.
It's the quilting table. So it has measurings on it. And
When are we going to build this, though?
Tyler, maybe don't push the button.
this is the table. Now, we will set this up on a tray so you can come in part 2 to see how to do the machine. Okay? Bye, guys. See you in part 2.